everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. And today we're talking about something that everyone feels embarrassed about. When you don't understand what someone said.
Oh, yes. That moment when someone talks fast, mumbles, whispers, or uses strange slang, and your brain goes completely blank.
Exactly. And instead of saying something, we just smile like a confused potato.
Yes, the confused potato smile is real. But today, we're going to fix that.
Part 1. The polite way to say you didn't understand.
Let's start simple. When you don't understand someone, don't panic. English speakers do this all the time.
Here are the most natural, polite phrases. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Come again? Could you repeat that, please? I'm not sure I understood you.
Let's use one in a fun example. So I went to the mall and saw this crazy dog in the parking lot.
Whoa. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again, a little slower?
Perfect. That's exactly how you do it. Part 2. Asking for a slower version. If speed is the problem, you can say, could you speak a little slower? Can you say that more slowly? I'm still learning, so slow is better for me.
Let's try a dramatic example.
Example 2. Overly excited friend.
Emma, you won't believe what happened at the gym!
Jack, slower. I'm not a Formula One driver. My brain cannot go that fast.
See? Polite and funny.
Part 3. Asking for clarification when you got some of it, but not everything. So, you can ask for clarification. What do you mean by that? Could you explain that part? So you mean...
Let's give an example.
Example 3. Confusing instructions. Just upload, rename, re-export, compress, and re-import the file.
What do you mean by re-export? Is that like exporting, but again?
Exactly. Great clarification question. Part 4. When the vocabulary is the problem.
Sometimes someone uses a new word like metabolism, aesthetic, procrastinate, and you're like, sorry, what alien language is this?
Yes. So you can ask, what does that word mean? What is... I'm not familiar with that word.
Example 4. Unknown word. Yeah, the food there is really overpriced.
Sorry, what does overpriced mean?
It means too expensive.
Got it.
Part 5. When you want them to rephrase.
Sometimes repeating doesn't help. You need a different version of the same message. Try, can you say that in another way? Could you rephrase that? I didn't quite get it. Maybe explain it differently.
Let's demonstrate. Example 5. Complicated explanation. The photosynthesis process involves converting light energy into chemical energy.
Emma, English, please? Can you say that in another way? Okay. Plants use sunlight to make food.
Much better. Part 6. When you want a repeat. Fun edition.
Here are some fun and less formal ways to say you didn't understand. Say what? One more time? Sorry, my brain froze. Can you run that by me again?
Let's try a goofy example.
Example 6. brain freeze moment.
Emma, I need the USB, the HDMI, and the SSD from the RGB.
Jack? My brain froze. Start again. Use small words.
Okay.
Part 7. Confirming you understood correctly. After someone repeats or explains, you can confirm. So, you mean, let me check if I got this right. Okay, so what you're saying is,
Example time.
example 7. Double checking. Meet me at 5 p.m. outside the cafe near the station.
Okay, let me check if I got this right. 5 p.m., the cafe next to the station?
Exactly.
Part 8. When you still don't understand. Most honest option.
If you still don't understand, that's totally okay. You can say, I'm sorry, I still don't understand. Can you show me? Could you write it down? Maybe give me an example.
This one is very real, especially when someone explains directions.
Example 8. Directions, disaster. Go left, then right, then take another right, then a small left, then a U-turn.
Emma, I still don't understand. Can you just show me on Google Maps?
Yes, asking for a visual is always okay.
Part 9. Make it natural, not awkward. Here's the big secret. If you ask politely, people never get annoyed.
Yes, they actually appreciate that you want to understand correctly.
So don't pretend. Don't smile awkwardly. Just ask.
And that's it for today's episode on what to say when you didn't understand someone.
Remember, communication is not about perfection, it's about clarity.
If you enjoyed this episode, follow us for more fun English conversations.
Thanks for listening.
See you on the next episode.